Hi everyone, welcome back on Spices and More. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Today I'm sharing with you yet another famous recipe all the way from Goa known as Alsanache Tonak, which is basically red cowpeas cooked in coconut gravy with some spices. Very easy to prepare and very simple recipe. You can enjoy this dish with chapati, paratha or naan, even with the hot steaming rice. So without further ado, let's begin with the recipe. Here I have taken 1 cup of alsane or red cowpeas. Wash it thoroughly and soak it in the water overnight. Next day you will notice that the alsane have soaked well and you can break it into pieces. And this alsane is different from the kidney beans or rajma. Now add this alsane or red cowpeas in enough water and pressure cook it for about 3 to 4 whistles. The quality of every alsane differs and also the pressure cooker, so please take care. It shouldn't be too mushy. After that, heat a clay pan or clay pot with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and add 1 medium size of sliced onion. And here I am adding about 4 to 5 garlic pods. Give it a mix and saute it for a while until the onion turns translucent. Next I am adding about 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds and about 8 to 10 peppercorns. Next I am adding 2 pieces of star anise or dagad ful as we call it, and 2 pieces of javitri or maize. In goes ½ inch of cinnamon stick or dalchini. Give it a mix and saute it for a while. Now you will notice nice aroma will ooze out from the spices. Next I will be adding about 2 red whole chilies and 1 whole Kashmiri red chili. The quantity of chilies you can increase or decrease. Next I am adding 1 cup of grated coconut. Give it a mix and saute for a while. You need to saute it until the coconut turns golden brown in color. Now as you can see, the masala is getting ready. The coconut has already turned golden brown in color. At this point I will be adding ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder. Again give it a mix. And now I'll be adding small piece of tamarind. At this point I've closed the flame. The masala is cooked well. Let it cool down and then add it to the mixer grinder with enough water. We need to make fine paste out of it. Now as you can see on the screen, the fine paste is ready. It shouldn't be coarsely ground, it should be very fine. Next I have heated a clay pot or a pan. In that I have added 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and then I added 1 teaspoon of mustard seed. Let the mustard seed crackle and in goes about 6 to 8 curry patta leaves. In goes little asafoetida or hing powder. And now I will be adding in the cauliflower florets. Give it a mix and saute this cauliflower until you get slight golden brown color on the florets. Some of them add alsane and cauliflower together, but if you saute this cauliflower first in the oil, the taste is really awesome. And now I'll be adding boiled alsane or red cowpeas. As you can see on the screen, we need this texture of alsane. It shouldn't be too mushy. Let cook properly. Give it a mix and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes more. Since this is pre-boiled alsane, it won't take much time. And now I'll be adding in 1 medium size chopped tomatoes. Give it a mix and let it cook until it gets one boil. Now once you can see the boil has come, add the ground mixture. Give it a mix and combine all the ingredients properly. I added little more water into the mixer grinder and took out all the leftover. Again give it a mix and let it cook further. Keep the flame on medium to low. And now as you can see on the screen, the white froth that has to get disappeared, and then you will know that the gravy or the alsane tonak is ready. I added salt as per taste now. Give it a mix. And now as you can see that white froth has completely disappeared and our alsane tonak or red cowpeas in coconut gravy is ready to be served. This is really easy and a simple recipe. Those who have never tried it before, I will highly request you to please give it a try. I am serving this with bread or pav as you call it. In Goa, this is normally served with hot steaming rice. You can enjoy it with hot rotis or chapatis as well. I hope you like today's recipe. If so, then please hit that like button. Press the bell notification to get all my latest videos. Share this recipe with your loved ones. And please consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed so far. And thanks for watching.